My name is John Richard. I work with DSI Car Wash Solutions. I'm the founder and the president. We've been in business for 10 years, and I've been in car washing for 20 years. When we started DSI, it was just a chemical company. We started with another vendor, and they went through an acquisition, got acquired, then the line was discontinued. So it left us looking for another option. We started exploring through to see different options that were out there and different vendors that were available and who we really wanted to partner with. We set up our business and really operate in a way where we're looking for partnerships. We're not looking for transactional vendors. We really look at if somebody we can sit down and have a drink with or eat lunch with, and we're not going to want to be working with them. We have built our business on over-servicing customers. So we go way over the top and take care of them and manage the whole back room for them. We knew that the guys from Turtle Wax, their service team that's helped us, were in the same mindset. So they came on board and helped us with our conversions, and they were very understanding. They knew that when we set up a back room, we were pretty AR about it. So we have 90-degree angles, everything's cleaned up, everything's tidied. We're washing the floors, washing the walls, getting everything on top. That was the same mindset they had. They were built that way, and we were built that way. That's really where it started to be like a good fit. When we went through the initial conversions and got used to the product again, we started telling the service team, we can do the rest of these conversions on our own. We don't really need you, but they really insisted on being a part of our organization and being a part of those. They said, we want to be there for everything to be able to support you. Yes, I understand you can do it for yourself. We don't have to allocate those resources, but we want to, and we want to be able to partner with you. So that was a big notch in our cap for those guys. I really liked the finishing products, but it always felt like that they were lacking in the cleaning side. They were able to show us the differences they made on the pre-soak side and the cleaning side to really make it a total package. So the brand recognition is a big thing for our customers, but also the quality of chemical being hyper concentrates really made it a top tier brand for us, which was something that we could stand behind and we were excited to partner with. We visited the factory and saw the quality control methods that they had. I sat down with Gerald and we hashed out some of my concerns. We sell a product we don't make. So when we're representing a manufacturer, we need somebody who we can trust, who isn't going to undercut us, take us to market. I aired those concerns to them. We felt with their relationship with OPW, that is something they stand behind. So that brought us a ton of confidence that we could partner with them and have some security for our employees, that something wouldn't happen that would change that relationship. We're relatively new with the relationship with Turtle Wax. Our first step was we wanted to convert the base of the customer that was being sunsetted on the product line. So we got that converted, got a very good feel for the product lines and how we can set them up where we can go from there. And now we're looking to leverage that brand. We're going to take it to customers and see how much the brand has an effect in the self-serve versus competition. So between that and then using the inside sales team they have, which we're just starting to leverage now, we can get some of those things together and push the growth. We have a large MSO. They're a petroleum customer and have some tunnels and in-bays with self-serves, and they pride themselves on their own brand. Their sites are branded very well. They are a branded fuel organization too, so they understand the power of a national brand. So we pitched the idea to them that we could come in and convert their sites, that they could maintain their current brand, but they just throw a label on it that says powered by Turtle Wax. We have the opportunity with hyper concentrated chemical. We are very familiar in using hyper concentrates. And so for us to be able to go in, we really feel like we can be competitive with any chemical in the market anywhere. And then with the power of having the Turtle Wax support with us, we're able to scale it and go a little bit further. In some of our markets, we're able to expand our logistics because we don't have to have large trucks going all over the place. We can deliver out of cargo vans and we can deliver in the back of pickup trucks. So that helps us from making long trips, going out, expanding our market. And we also have such a low usage with a lot of the products that we don't have to go on as frequent of a basis. So that helps us on transportation costs. So we really feel like we can expand our geography and fill in some holes that we have and hit other markets that we weren't able to hit before very efficiently. The feedback that we've gotten so far has been pretty phenomenal. Like the smell in the tunnel is really off the charts. The color of the products, like the triple foams and stuff, has been very noticeable, and not just from the operator standpoint, but also from the customer standpoint. We've had some feedback. One store manager that we were working with, but she came in and said, the colors look great. Don't turn anything down. I know we need to do some better rinsing. I know we need to figure something else out, but do not turn the chemicals down. The customers have already started noticing how good it smells, how good it looks, and how good their car finish is. We're very excited to get the online training platform done. We're going to integrate that into our onboarding for our own employees. Then we're also going to integrate that with our customers to take that for them so they can train their staff. They can know how the chemical works, the safety procedures, how it's dialed in. We're excited to use that. For the support, the national service team has just been incredible. Those guys travel all over. They come at the drop of a hat if we need something. They ship stuff. It's just been fantastic. This is all built on relationship. And if you didn't feel like we had that, if it was a transactional relationship, we wouldn't be where we are with Turtle Wax. Ice Instant Shine, that product is phenomenal. When we can get it up to a 10 to 15 mil range on a vehicle that's similar to a Chevy Avalanche, or it has all the plastic moldings going around it. When you put the ice instant shine on it, it looks like somebody hand dressed all the plastics. When you put ice instant shine on, like 12 to 15 mils on the plastic trim, it pops. That's something we get on all the time. Our customers really enjoy that. They can see it in the car. I'm excited about the new products. The one shot they came out with, the pre-soak, they really crush it. And the one shot is doing good. To use the new low pH pre-soak that they have, they're coming out with this year. I know where it was modeled from or where their hearts are with it, and we played with it just a little bit. Integrate that into more of a tunnel to really get that pop halfway through the tunnel. We can see the car braking before it gets to the finishing products. I believe what we can do is what's best. We're two sides of the same coin, where as a distributor, we can overservice the customer. We can deliver field service that a direct manufacturer can't. So we can overservice the customer, maintain that relationship, maintain the high quality. And then we have partnering with Turtle Wax. They are obviously manufacturing quality product, but they're also able to be walked into some bigger opportunities that a distributor might not be able to. And they can get the opportunity to work on some of the big MSOs that I know we can be confident and competitive with. And then also they have the boots on the ground support and us that we know that they will never lose that account and the quality cars that are coming out. So we can do what they can't do and they can do what we can't do. I think there's going to be a lot of growth for us because there's just a lot of opportunity for some of these larger places that need to see a higher quality of car coming out and somebody who's watching it all the time. If I was talking to other distributors, I would give them a shot to turn out the product, try it out. As we're dealing with hyper concentrated products, if it's not something you're used to, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, especially for your sales team, because it is on a higher cost per gallon. If you can figure it out and you have confidence that you're going to keep things in line, the overall costs become ridiculously competitive. So if you can go in, you have a good service, you can keep on top of the cost per car, it's always going to end up saving the customer money because you don't need to ship water. You don't need to ship these big drums anymore. It's going to save you and help you to deliver chemical more efficiently. You have the power of the brand, but really it's the relationship. A lot of the people should build their businesses too. If you're looking for somebody just to partner with, they're just good guys, like to hang out with them, but like to get the stuff done. This is a great partner for you to work with too. I think on our side is really our chemical director. His name is Randy Berry, and he's become a legend in the Turtle Wax Pro world. He loves the brand, loves the guys, needs the support. Super technical. It really embodies our mission. We're about more than just washing cars. We really want to change lives of the people who are around us. And the way we do that is by washing cars. We're not trying to just sell on price or just get a deal or just make the money, but we really want to just engage in a relationship and have an impact in people's lives. We teamed up with him and John Tardy. Those two guys share the same mission. They really want to be able to have a partnership. They care about people inside and outside of car washing. So it's nice to see them when they're on site at a petroleum store. There's helping an old lady put air in her tires while we're washing cars. That means so much more to us than a chemical coming out of a drum. The quality of people that you're working with, Gerald and Mac, those guys have the attitude of they really want what's best for everybody, everything they can do. So that's what we're all about. We're just starting back up with Turtle Wax. We're really excited to see where it's going to go. We really think that we have a good thing going. It's not just the chemical, but it's the people. And the more people we can touch, the better. And Turtle Wax has given us the resources to be able to open more doors. We want to go over and really have impact in this industry and impact in this world. And we believe that Turtle Wax is the perfect partner for us to do that.